In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Telegram files faster. We'll keep things simple and practical, focusing on a few settings inside the app that can make a noticeable difference right away. By the end, you'll know how to clear out digital clutter, prioritize faster media fetching, and understand how to unlock the highest possible speeds if you need them. Start by opening the Telegram app on your device. Everything we're doing happens inside Telegram itself, so you won't need any extra tools. The exact layout can look slightly different depending on your phone, but the setting names are the same. Now, head into Settings, then tap Data and Storage. Go to Storage Usage and choose Clear Cache. Think of the cache as temporary files Telegram saves to make content load quickly when you revisit it. Over time, that cache can grow large and slow things down, especially when your device's storage is tight. Clearing it removes those leftover files and frees up space, which helps Telegram fetch new downloads more efficiently. This does not delete your chats or media from the cloud. It only removes locally stored temporary copies. Let the process complete and give the app a moment to rescan storage. If your cache was big, you should notice smoother performance right away. While you are still in data and storage, look for automatic media download. Set this to high for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This tells Telegram to be more aggressive about pulling media when conditions are good, which reduces waiting when you tap a file because much of the groundwork is already handled in the background. Keep in mind, setting it to high can increase data usage and local storage consumption. So make sure you have enough space and that your mobile plan can handle the extra bandwidth. If you are on a limited plan, you might prefer high on Wi-Fi and be more conservative on mobile. If you want the absolute fastest download speeds with fewer restrictions, consider subscribing to Telegram Premium. Premium removes the speed limitations placed on regular users, so large files, media, and updates can come down at the highest rates your connection allows. It's a straightforward way to unlock performance if you regularly download big files or rely on Telegram for work and media. Even without Premium, the first two steps will still help a lot. But Premium delivers the top-end boost. That's it. Thanks for watching.